Oh, I bought back freight. It's all the returns. Yeah, we seem to be doing a lot of returns recently. Like lengths and like there's plastic sheds and cobin and stuff like that. I mean, this trailer in front of me's got a fucking wobble on, man. Oh no! Sorry, boys. It's going like son of. Oh, I think he's lost it. Oh my fucking god! He's lost it. He's lost it! Holy shit! Mate, he's fucking lost it. Mate, I'll call you back.
Yeah, right up.
We got to the right time today. Where the fuck is going?
Babe.
What?
What's his door doing, Nathan?
You don't think he quite knows? I think it might have undone itself. Where it was, that Tammy had an accident. Death from a handboat. The lorry, I've seen a picture of it, it was a Polish driver. Completely wiped the side of a car out. And her and... Oh, that way!
Fucking hell!
Fucking hell, talking about wipeout? What the fuck? You're right.
Yeah!
You're right, Babs.
Shopping in store. Club Card Plus for 6 months on us. This is Supermarket Mobile. Search Tesco Mobile. Every little helps.
Still got to stop, bud.
Classic by the QT Project. Quartet wasn't, and the new version by Jerome is I Hold That Sucker Down in a brand new remix by no other than
You dumb fucking bitch!
incredible version and rocking the charts.
What the absolute fuck?
Oh, good God.
Fuck! Wonder how long they've had that on there.
What, the little red bits?
No, the program that's just moved across.
Oh, fuck.
Uh,
Where's it going?
Okay. Shitting Peugeot!
Oh my God. That would go from like, what the
Yeah.
Mom, text me. Text me earlier.
Okay.
What?
Just on your red line, runner.
Oh, now you fucking want to come this way. Come on, man. Get in the right lane. Which way are you going? Come on, move it.
Train bound for nowhere, met up with a gamble, both too tired to sleep.
Right. 5:45.
What, without...
Sorry, 4:45.
Oh, right, yeah.
4:45. Oh, okay.
And I decided I'm not going to get up at 4:45. I'll just set my alarm for 4:50. I get up.
Fucking do
hell.
it!
What the fuck are you doing? You're in the lane. What the fuck? Fucking
Fucking retard. Two of them.
Baby, he's coming over. Let him over. Yeah, he's coming
Was that the blue one?
over. I think that was her learner plate off the front. Her back one was sellotaped on. I don't think her front was because her face left.
Nice one. Fucking assholes. They're all fucking doing it.
right. Right, fucking hell.
Right across the line.
Oh no, it's in the
Oh
wrong
my
lane. I
god.
thought this was the case. I knew it was going to be the case. What the fuck? Holding up the traffic. Hopefully I'm moving across the back because that car's going to turn off.
Yeah, exactly. What a tune. All right, ladies and gentlemen, getting here to the top 20. Last night, a vision of a world.
So much easier getting out of the roundabout.
Latest intelligence shows you could be paying too much on your household bills. For the money Super 7 can help.
There's even more down here.
Insurance, credit cards, broadband.
What, Shambo?